Here is an easy recipe for microwave mug cake made with a single banana. I had powdered 2 tablespoons of oats and added that ripe banana to a microwave safe mug and mashed it until it is nicely smooth. Make sure your banana is soft and smooth. Add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of all purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of oats powder. Add 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, honey or jaggery, whichever is your choice. Give it a nice mix and add 1 tablespoon of oil or melted butter. Mix the ingredients very well. Add half teaspoon baking powder. It is completely optional. It gives the nice fluffiness to the end result. Make sure you gonna mix it nicely and gently so that it forms a thick batter kind of consistency as shown here. Microwave this for 1 to 1.5 minutes. Keep an eye on the process while it is going on to make sure it is not dried out, and here is the end result. Insert a fork or a toothpick to make sure it is well done and enjoy your microwave banana mug cake. You can top it with your chocolate chips, nuts or chocolate drizzle.